In front of me, I have an iBookG4 that I fixed all on my own. I say fixed in quotations like that because I didn't really know what I was doing. And while I did upgrade the RAM in the hard drive, I kind of left it in worse shape than I thought. So let me go to how I got this point. In front of me is a laptop that's a little too old for its own good, powered by an architecture that isn't really used anymore, but I would like to upgrade it for a future video. So in this video, we're going to upgrade the spinning rust to a medium that hopefully doesn't spin. We're going to upgrade the RAM to its max capacity, and we're going to fix its cosmetic issues with the power of urethane and 3D printing. So let's get started. Now, before we get too deep into this, I want to go over the problems this laptop has. It has a massive chip out of the corner. It's relatively dirty, which is alright, that can be easily changed. But it's missing a foot. Now, this isn't a big problem. We're going to 3D print a foot. We're a day later, and I took Sorbet Leopard off this flash drive here, and I put normal Leopard on, and I want to do that, so I just want to make progress. I don't want to mess around getting the Sorbet Leopard to work. And there's another way to install Sorbet Leopard using Leopard, I guess, some weird thing with restoring, but for now we're going to try like this just to make sure the hard drive works, and then we'll take it from there. I booted back in the open firmware. I don't actually know if these G4s can boot off a USB drive plugged into the side using the normal little choose boot thing. I don't remember what they call it, but it should work with open firmware. I know it should work, at least I put Void Linux on this and I was able to boot into Void Linux from a while ago, and that worked with the same exact flash drive, so hopefully it works. The Mac OS at least. USB setup error. Okay, let me reset again. So now that that didn't work, this is probably my last try. Otherwise, I guess I'll install Linux on it. I don't really want to do that, but this was made on a Mac, everything Mac. The other time was on Windows, then I tried Trans Mac, now this is on a real Mac. So hopefully it works. Oh, wow, I can't believe that worked. I was missing a comma with that command when I tried a couple times ago. Maybe it would have worked, but hopefully this works, and I don't have to worry about that for the time being. Alright, it's loading for now. Oh no, the trackpad doesn't work. I might have broken it. Or maybe it's not plugged in all the way. Oh, it's not... Oh, thank goodness, it's just not plugged in at all. Alright. Good. I thought I broke this because I accidentally popped this out when I was cleaning it. So, let me reset again, but at least I know how to boot this time. Alright, I plugged the trackpad back in, and let's hope it works. Oh, thank goodness. I was really worried it wasn't going to. Does the mouse click work? Yes. Good. Good. I thought I broke it at work, but I didn't. Oh. Oh, I need to. Oh, jeez, I'm dumb. Ugh, it looks like I need to have macOS 10.4. Then I can upgrade to 5. I didn't know that. I'm what we in the trade call dumb as hell. Alright, we're about like a day of trying to figure out why this isn't working. And I think I might have had a solution. If I press that continue button and it tells me it can't install, I might give up. But we'll see. Alright, moment of truth for the third time. Oh my goodness, it might it might actually work. Oh my goodness. Alright. I want to install on this. I've never done this before. Can I get rid of this one too? Nah, let's just... Yeah, let's erase this bad boy. Alright, hopefully that works. Oh, you can customize it? Now what can we customize? X11? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, macOS is kind of like, what, BSD based or something like that? I wonder if modern macOS uses X11 or if it uses just something totally different. If that's the X11 I'm thinking of, like the Linux X11. But it looks like we're working. I'm ecstatic. And I might just go, oh. Using disk, wait, disk utility. Hang on. I haven't lost hope yet. Let's erase. Let's see if this works. Okay, that's a start. It froze. Oh dear. Okay, no, we're good. I think we want macOS. I don't know the difference between journaled and case sensitive and case sensitive journaled. I don't know what any of that means. But we're gonna name this iBook Funny because it's a funny little laptop. Please work. I'll cry if it doesn't. Alright, it's working so far. I don't know why the installer wouldn't work. Alright. I think we're good. 250 gigabytes is a lot for a laptop like this, but that's the only inside drive I had. But the adapter looks like it's working. I don't want to restart my computer. Can I restart the installer? Can I do that? I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh, I guess I have to redo this whole thing again. That's fine. Unless that's going to restart the installer, but I don't think so. No, I always liked this little wallpaper. Oh, never mind. I'm afraid to touch that because this doesn't have the battery in it. The battery's right here. But if I remember the command, what was it? It was like boot USB 1. Wait, no. Yeah. Slash disk at 1 colon 3 comma. Let me get the command. What's the command? Slash system slash library slash core services slash boot. I wonder if boot X means it's booting X as in X11 or boot X as in Mac OS X. That might be a question that science can't answer, but it looks like we're still booting. Alright, we're back at the installer. I'm going to prepare the installation and hopefully it works, because yeah, I agree. iBook funny. Wait, why does it say, why, you cannot enable pre-partition as Apple partition map, Apple partition map. Did I not do that? 35 passy, oh my goodness. Wow. I got it working. I put in a terminal command that I'll probably show here. I didn't film it because I didn't expect it to work the first time. Oh well. But hopefully we can install. Hopefully it doesn't give us an error. Once it gives me time remaining, I'll stop filming. Oh, it looks like it's actually working so far. Good. I'm afraid to touch this, because the moment I move, that moves, it's going to shut off, and I'm going to be really, really sad. But I guess I'll come back when it's done. We're back at the next day, and I couldn't really find a memory test program. I don't know how much I really want to boot into like Debian or something to test the memory. But at the very least, it does say 1.25 gigs, which I think is the max. Because there's like a hard 256 megs or something, and then you can put a gig in the one that you can actually upgrade. I also figured out why it wasn't connecting to the internet or anything, and I forgot to put this in but that can just be done right now. I have a little bit more cleaning to do on this, but I think we're probably good to put it back together, and then we can have some fun with the Mac. Hopefully I remember where all the screws go. Tragedy has struck. Putting the top case on. Well, hopefully you can see that. The little fix that was done at work, it fell straight off. Not too unsurprising, to be honest. Not really too mad about that. I don't think I'm gonna try doing that again. I guess at a later date I can, make it more permanent fix. A little disappointing, but this show must go on, Tragedy has struck yet again. I'm really disappointed in myself. All the little clips that clip this little face here are either broken off or smushed. I don't know how that happened. I guess I manhandled it with taking it apart, and I don't think this is fixable. I mean, I could maybe 3D print one. I don't know. This is supposed to be a restoration type video, but I made it worse than when it got into my hands. And here we have it. I want to install Sorbet Leopard. I might do that in another video, but for now I'm a little bummed out that I didn't do the best job for, restoring it. That was the idea, to restore this. And I cleaned it up a lot. It doesn't have soup and crumbs on the inside, but in a lot of ways I left it in poor shape than I got it. But I guess I can't be too mad. These are notoriously hard to open up, and I did learn quite a bit. So I mean, I guess not all is lost. I mean, the thing still works. I even 3D printed little feet, and that's something. The 3D print part worked. I mean, that still doesn't look very good, but I mean, whatever. It gives it character, I suppose. Anyway, next video will probably be Sorbet Leopard.